It's just got the basic install on it right now. Just got an iPad Pro in the mail from Surplus by Design, and as described, it looks to be in pretty good condition, but it does have a small defect, which I was aware of, which is why I was able to get it so cheap. It has a small crack in the glass on the very front corner, but it does not look to be encroaching on the screen, just ever so slightly there in the very corner. So we'll test it and try that, as well as it has a little bit of paint on the back. I do believe it's paint. So we'll see if I can get some of this off. And then for the front cover, I had the idea of just a screen protector, just a glass screen protector, cover up the whole front. So we'll see if I got an iPad Pro for super cheap. Okay, the screen's on. Came out of the box with 87% power. It looks pretty good, and the crack is very, very minimal, but it is something that's going to catch your fingers and possibly get worse. So I'm going to cover that with a tempered glass screen protector almost immediately. But so far, everything seems to be working right on. I just did a quick setup with no iCloud, no online services or anything, just to see what it's running. So it's currently running version 13.1.3, and the latest version is 13.3.1. So I'm going to do an update on it. But it is a 256 gig unit. That is awesome. So a trick that I found for installing screen protectors is to make yourself a little jig, and it can be as simple as just a piece of Scotch tape. So I have the screen protector where it still has the rear back protective film still on it. And I've just jigged it out with a piece of Scotch tape so that once I remove that backing, I just need to fold it down and it will hold the front exactly where it needs to be over the camera. And then all I have to worry about is getting it directly over the home button when I drop it down, and it'll line it up perfectly. So that's the plan. I just need to clean it and apply it. So that worked very well. I've got the screen protector on. This is where the crack is that you can see. So it's got a little bit of an air gap there that came out, but overall it just gives you that smooth feel, so it no longer feels like it's broken, and everything works great. Like, this is a great iPad. So 256 gig, whoops, got the 120 hertz ProMotion display. It's just got the basic install on it right now. No apps, no personalization, but everything's working great. All the camera works, everything works. Speakers work, cameras work. It's awesome. Surplus by Design, guys. If you keep an eye out on that, you can get some really good deals. So I got this for just over $200 Canadian for an iPad Pro 2017, 256 gig, because it has a small little crack in the glass. Awesome. I also picked up just a basic iPad Pro 10.5 inch case. I got this from Amazon for $12.99 Canadian. It's got the sleep to wake functionality. It's by Tech, and the iPad Pros come with the quad speaker cutouts, the bigger camera bump. It's got all the proper cutouts, even has a headphone jack. How about that? So yeah, $12.99 case. I think the glass screen protector was a little bit more. It was maybe $15 for the glass screen protector, just to cover up that little crack there. But overall, like, there's nothing even wrong with the screen when you do that. So awesome. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.